All right, looking at number 18 and using multiplication. So think of this, 18 can be rewritten as x plus 2y times x plus 2y times x plus 2y. That's what x plus 2y raised to the third power means. Okay, so multiplying vertically, take these two first. So I have x plus 2y times x plus 2y. So this leaves me 2y times 2y is a positive 4y squared. 2y times x is a positive 2xy. Moving one term over on the bottom, I have x times 2y, again is a positive 2xy. And x times x is x squared. Add your columns. I have 4y squared plus 4xy plus x squared. Now, taking this answer, this product, we're now going to multiply this by the remaining x plus 2y times x plus 2y. So here I have 2y times 4y squared is 8y cubed, positive. 2y times 4xy is 8xy squared, positive again. And 2y times x squared is 2x squared y. Moving over a term, I have x times 4y squared is 4xy squared, positive. X times 4xy is positive 4x squared y. And x times x squared is x cubed. And now I add my columns of like terms, and I get an answer of x to the third plus 11 x squared y plus 12 xy squared plus 8y cubed. That's 18. We can do the same thing for 19. On number 19, here I have 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1. So taking these two at a time, doing this vertically, 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1. Negative 1 times 1 is a positive 1. Negative 1 times 4x is a negative 4x. Here I have 4x times negative 1 is a negative 4x again. And 4x times 4x is 16x squared. Adding my columns, I get 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. Now, understand, if that's what this is, then we get the same thing here. So we're basically going to go 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 times 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. So going through the columns, so you go 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative 8x is negative 8x. And 1 times 16x squared is a positive 16x squared. Moving over to the next term, I have negative 8x plus 1 is negative 8x. Negative 8x times negative 8x is a positive 64x squared. And negative 8x times 16 48. let's see, I have 10 times 8 is 80. 6 times 8 is 48. That's 128. So that's negative 128x cubed. Now, moving over, I have 16x squared times 1 is a positive 16x squared. 16 times negative 8x, 16x squared times negative 8x. I have a negative 128x cubed. And 16x to the squared times 16x squared is 256x to the fourth. Adding those columns, I get 256x to the fourth minus 256 x to the third plus 96x squared minus 16x plus 1. And those are my answers then for number 18 and for number 19.